Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete several contacts on your iPhone at once. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So let's get started. This is actually a very cool method that I'm going to show you now. If you don't want to delete your contacts or you have a lot of them, it can take a lot of time. Or if you want to completely delete all your contacts from the phone app. And first of all, open your phone app. Then go to the Contacts section. And then with 2 fingers, press down on Contact and pull it down. This way, you will be able to highlight the number of contacts you need to delete. I just actually have very few, as you can see, but you can have 10, 20, 50, 150 contacts. It doesn't matter. So in this motion, you just take 2 fingers, press and pull down. So you highlight all the contacts that you want to delete. And then after you've done that, you use 1 finger to press absolutely any contact that you've highlighted and hold it down. Next, you'll be able to see the number of contacts that you are deleting. And after that, you'll need to click Delete Contacts and confirm your action. After that, all the highlighted contacts will be instantly deleted from your contact log. Friends, I hope this video helped you and you saw how you can delete several or absolutely all contacts at once on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.